Okay, this is the latest little bit of circuitry I'm working on. I'll just do a demo of it first and explain it later. So we've got over here our LED representing power to track, and we've got our two reed switches here and here. Now, as usual, I want to sweep by one reed switch and turn off the LED, and sweep by the other reed switch and turn on the LED. The whole point of this is that it works in both directions, so that I come from this side, from the right hand side, sweep in, turns it off, sweep back, turns it on again. So just to repeat the operation: off, on, off, on. Pause there